Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Sylheti in Bengali with Faniam. In this video, we are gonna learn all subjective pronoun in Bengali language. So I hope you will enjoy this lesson and we will learn how to speak in Bengali from basic level. So let's get started. We all know that in English the subjective pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, they, it. Let us start from I. For I, the Bengali pronoun is ami, ami, ami. Let's see an example. I go, ami jai. I come, ami ashi. I see, ami dekhi. Go, jawa. See, dekha, come, asha in Bengali language. So if you learn some verb, you can make any small sentence by using I. Then we, amora, amora. We go, amora jai. Then you, which is used for singular. And for you, Bengali people use three different pronouns. First one is apni, apni, apni. Which one is formal? You can use it with everyone and especially with respectful person, big brother, sister and parents. Then the second one is tumi, tumi, tumi. This is semi-formal. You can use it also like your friends, brothers, sisters and with well-known person. Then the last one is tui, 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 which is totally informal. You can use it just with your close friend, otherwise not. Then second you, which is used for plural. The Bengali pronoun for this is apnara, 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 and this is formal. And there also another one which is semi-formal. This is tumra, tumra, tumra. Then he, for that thini, thini, or uni, uni. Those are formal. And she, she, this is informal. Then she, also same, totally same. Thini, uni, formal, and the informal one is she. So whatever you are talking about any man or woman in Bengali language, if they are respectful person, you may use thini or uni with both. And if they are your close friend, so whatever girl or boy, you can use she. Like, she's my friend, she amar bondhu, she amar bondhu. And then they, for they, the Bengali pronoun is tara, tara, tara. And the last one is it, eti, eti. For example, it is a pen, eti ekti kolom. So you have finished all the subjective pronoun in Bengali with examples.